Hi guys, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're checking out the best mini waffle maker that can totally change your breakfast game without taking over your kitchen. If you love quick, tasty treats and simple cooking, you're gonna like this one. Let's take a closer look at what makes it special. Let's get started. Today's spotlight is on the Elite Gourmet Mini Waffle Maker. This little machine may look small, but it's packed with smart features that make cooking fast and fun. It comes with dual 5-inch non-stick cooking plates that create thick, fluffy waffles about 1 inch tall. That means you get a crispy outside and a soft inside every single time. One of the best things about the Elite Gourmet Mini Waffle Maker is how fast it works. It can make delicious waffles in about 5 minutes, and in many cases, they are ready in just around 3 minutes after pouring the batter. Perfect for busy mornings when you do not want to wait around. Using it is super simple. Just plug it in and wait for the ready indicator light. That light lets you know when the plates are hot enough. Add a little grease if you want, pour in your batter, close the lid, and that's it. No complicated settings, no confusing buttons. And here's where it gets even better. The Elite Gourmet Mini Waffle Maker is not just for waffles. You can use it for sweet or savory dishes. Make sandwiches, cookies, small cakes, or even snack pockets. It opens up so many fun food ideas with just one compact appliance. To help you get creative, it even includes 9 recipes. So if you ever feel stuck, you have ready-made ideas to try new flavors and combinations right away. Now let's talk about design. This mini waffle maker is compact and stylish. It easily fits in small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even in an RV or camping setup. It does not take up much counter space, and when you're done, you can store it upright in a cabinet. That upright storage feature is great because it keeps your kitchen neat and clutter-free. Cleaning is also very easy. The deluxe non-stick plates make sure food does not stick, so you can simply wipe them clean with a damp cloth after the unit cools down. The non-stick surface also means you do not need a lot of oil or butter, which helps you cook a bit healthier while saving time on cleanup. The Elite Gourmet Mini Waffle Maker combines speed, versatility, and convenience in one small package. It turns simple ingredients into fun and tasty treats without stress or mess. If you want quick breakfasts and creative snacks with almost no effort, this is a great choice. Check the price link in the description and see if it's right for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more awesome product videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.